Hello guys, it is Mackenzie here and with
Punky, I already started my channel, but I haven't sent it on. My channel is called Punky Nightmare Show.
this is just I'm just about to make my channel and just start playing some games and stuff. She's about to join me and I'm about to just have a lot of fun and what so this
What
is
game is she playing? What game do I have to
the microphone from me? Dang, I could just do this. Sorry guys, she is just whew.
Finally the pizza game, I love it.
Yeah, I just wanted to play a pizza game.
I want to be those people that stay home and get us pizza.
So basically, I was about to try to make a big house for us to save up a lot of money. And then you guys, we can make our thing, and then you can like if we
I'm
can
gonna be
probably
the
make our
seller.
show.
Can we both be the seller that sells the pizza?
Okay, guys, there we go. I had to move up things a little bit.
So guys, we're both gonna be the seller that's gonna sell the pizza to people. He just now starting to play. He's got this pop-up join.
Hold on, you guys. I need to get my. Okay, there's my mouse. It just didn't work for a little bit. That's about it.
I can't wait till I play this pizza game with so fun.
You gotta talk a little bit louder because this microphone's kind of like slow.
I can't wait till I play this pizza game.
You have to make a fake voice. You breaking my. Okay, you guys. I just started.
It didn't pop up join.
Well, I'm on the game. So you guys, I'm about to go ahead and go to my house. I just literally started this game, but I'm actually about to go and pick pizza boxer. So I like pizza boxing.
I thought you said you were gonna be the seller with me.
I actually like this pizza boxing. It's actually really cool. So you guys, I'm about to go ahead and do that. Put that on top of there. Sorry guys, I'm sorry I didn't get to be the seller, but it's just this game really fun and I like being the
You're gonna be a seller somehow because you got like this little button right behind you.
I know, I just like being a boxer. We about to go ahead and put that right there. People don't know I'm recording, by the way. Oh my god. Nothing. Oh man, I forgot that there's like a tube here.
Yeah, now I can finally join, guys. Yay!
There's a lot of people that want Mountain Dew.
Sis, can you?
I'm gonna come, sis.
I'm at Nyla. It's like a button behind you where you get to be the seller, and the seller is so freaking fun. I'm actually gonna be with Chubby right now, but it's too hard. Too hard. I'm telling you. Too hard.
So I just unvoted.
I lost connection.
Well, she lost connection. I think she just needs to I mean, not join her.
I just now restarted joining.
So I'm about to actually go to my house and I'm about to see what I can do.
What do you mean go to your house?
There's a house.
Oh. See that little button.
So I'm about to get in this car and I'm actually about to just drive it to my house. I don't actually know where my house is at because I just now started the game. So I'm about to go to my house.
I actually look like a cool girl, but you look like one on here too.
So I found my house, you guys. This is my house that I freaking made. And as you can see, here's my bed.
I'm actually about to go out.
Okay, so here's my as you can see, look, on my screen, you can see
Yeah,
Punky Nyla on the other side. That's my sister right there, Punky Nyla. And I'm Mackenzie B. So, yeah,
You
this is
guys
my
might
house.
see us.
Think I see my sister?
Okay. What is this doing here?
Okay, so I'm in front of her car right now.
Sis, what are you doing on my car?
I don't know, but I'm about to go to my house, you guys. And I'm
My
just
house is number 1. Oh.
My house is BT. I mean B2. I mean. So I don't even know what
I'm actually about to paint my car.
Okay, so there's my sister. She's over there right now. Her tablet's kind of glitchy, so you know, it's kind of hard. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to go ahead and go here.
I'm about to have my car.
So I'm about to go ahead and work night shift because I actually want to get.
Oh, I will too.
I actually want to get a lot of money because the only reason I want to get a lot of money is because I already got my cash out.
I got
But
another
I'm about to go
paycheck.
ahead and work. My sister painting her car. So
I got a blue car.
excuse me, okay. So there's Party Island. I'm not about to go to Party Island.
Don't keep beeping at me.
So here we go. We're about to I'm about to work night
He
shift.
literally just kept beeping at me. He picked
Okay.
the wrong one.
About to work night shift actually. So I'm about to go ahead and take our order. I would like a peppermint milk. Take your time and order when you are ready. Mountain Dew sounds good to me. Could I get that? Sure.
I'm about to start working at the front, but I don't know.
Hello, sir. Would you like a hi? Could I get a pepperoni pizza, please? All we serve here is milk. What kind of pizza would you like? What kind of pizza would you like? Oh my god, the pepperoni pizza looks heavenly. I'll have that. Sure, I'll get you that. My sister just arrived. She's right over there. Hi, miss. You came back. Yep.
Yeah, she's not coming.
Hi, what can I get you? I'm gonna say that. Hi, what can I get you? Mountain Dew sounds good to me. Can I get that? Sure, you can get that. Oh, thank you. Bye bye now. That's what she said. Yeah, we can kick that person out.
This person?
I would like no. I know this is something I wouldn't know. Sorry, I need to help my sister. Greetings, we sell no.
What did she say?
Hello, value customer. What would you like? I'm gonna say.
What did she say she wanted?
She said, I've had a hankering for a sausage pizza all day. Please give me a pepperoni pizza. I'm starving. Okay. Oh, thank you. Bye bye now. That's what she said. What she said.
Okay, somebody at the window.
He's not all the way up here, but I can get him. What kind of pizza would you like, sir, at the driveway? One, give me a sick Mountain Dew, please. Okay, here you go. Oh, some people came to the cash register thing. I'm about to take an order.
Yeah,
would you like a taco? No,
right
our
here.
pizza is great. Lovely day outside. What would you like? Hi, friend. I would like a pepperoni pizza. I'm about to give you that right now. Thanks a bundle.
Oh, this food is getting.
So I'm about to go here.
Hello.
Let's talk to her.
Did you get out now?
Welcome to the burger. There is money cash reserve. Yeah, other people come. I guess sausage pizza.
Come here. Get out of my bed now. Get out of my bed now, please.
I'm a cash reserve.
Can you get off now? My bed, please. Can please?
We have great pizza.
Get out my bed.
Hi friend, I would like a sausage pizza. Wow, Punky, look. Look at me. My person came. Take your time and order when you are ready. Cheese pizza. Yeah. You get the one you always been wanting before. It's a bad car. Okay. You have to get a 4-seater. So, everything. Why only a 2-seater?
For me too.
You got 4 seats.
I'm actually about to have some clothes. Who's flying?
Just do one Mountain Dew. I'm working night shift at my job. Right now I got $1,530.
I'm calling you back here.